If you're currently planning your kiddo's graduation party or celebration, I have got the perfect DIY custom party favor idea for you. Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Custom Party Favors. I'm Latoya, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create custom party favor candy wrappers for Smarties Mega candy rolls using Canva. These personalized candy wrappers are the perfect party favors for your kiddos' graduation, back to school, for birthday parties, or even baby showers. Materials you need include the 2.25 ounce Smarties candy rolls, glossy photo paper. You can also use any standard size 8.5 by 11 copy paper that's compatible with your printer, a paper trimmer or scissors, double-sided tape or hot glue, and a free Canva account. To get started, the first thing you want to do is head on over to canva.com and log into your account, or create a free account if you don't already have one. You can use our referral link in the description box down below to try Canva Pro free for 30 days. Once you're logged in, click on the Custom Size button in the top left corner of the screen. Make sure it's in inches. For the page size, enter 8.5 by 11 inches. Then click the Create a New Design button. You will be taken to a blank canvas page. Select Elements. Scroll down to Lines and Shapes. Select the square shape. Add that shape to your page and create the candy wrapper label using the measurements on the screen. So I did want to show you that you will be able to fit two labels on the page, and this gray area is going to be used for gluing, so you don't want to put anything there. At this point, you can go ahead and upload your images and clip arts that you want to use in your design if you haven't already. Now that we have created our labels, we can get to the fun part and start designing them. If you want to save time and go straight to designing, I have created a pre-designed, customizable template for these candy labels, which are the same ones we just created. However, with the customizable template, everything has been set up for you, making it super easy and quick to design the labels. The template is available to purchase on our website, or you can grab it for free over on our Patreon. At this point in the video, I will be using the customizable template. You can also make matching treats for Rice Krispie treats or chip bags. We have these designs available over on our website if you want to check them out. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more fun and creative crafts. If you try this project out yourself, be sure to share your creations with us on social media by tagging me at Hanging with the Kiddos. You can find the links to the materials that I use in the description box down below. If you're interested in the customizable template, it can be purchased on our website, or you can access it for free by becoming one of our Patreon members. Right guys, thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.